I'm at Dulles Airport in Washington, D.C., and we are ready for a long travel day. More like 2 days of travel. And skiing there.
So where will we go through?
That way. Today's flight from Washington to LA, 737-800. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel on a long trip to Sydney.
You got it?
No, they didn't get it.
No? No way. Okay, you know what? Ticket agent.
We'll see what happened. I know. Thanks. Bye-bye. Bradley International Terminal here at LAX. It was about a 10-minute walk from my gate over to the terminal here. When you come to LA, you gotta stop by In-N-Out Burger. This place is crazy. After you leave the craziness of the In-N-Out Burger, come out here, get under a tree, and watch the planes go by. Had a good lunch here, and right next to the In-N-Out Burger is this parking lot. We were on the second floor, got to see a few planes. Now we're gonna head back and sit for 8 hours and wait for our flight to Sydney. There's the plane we're gonna be leaving on later on tonight, the Boeing 787-900. All right, we're heading on the Sydney flight.
Let's see if they turn us back. And you'll be in 39D,
39D.
and 39E and 8. Thank you.
39D.
Perfectly fine.
Well, just a quick look on where we are. This is my seat right here. We are on the last row of the airplane on this Boeing 787-900. And they're getting ready to serve us late night dinner. Big galley back here. We are about 30 minutes out of LA. And, well, just a little update. We're going to walk around the airplane like everybody else, but right now we're in the back galley because that's where all the room's at. We've been up for 7 hours out of LA, have another 7 hours to go before we get to Sydney around 6:50 in the morning at Monday morning. Lost track. We just crossed the equator. We're at 38,000 feet traveling 578 miles an hour. So we're going to take a look around the galley. There's some snacks and drinks that you can help yourself with. Help yourself to some snacks. Juice, water. As you can see on the map there, we're almost there. 45 more minutes. We're still at 38,000 feet. We'll be going down here shortly. Well, I didn't get a window seat. I'm showing this out of the exit door. But sunrise, we're just a few minutes from Sydney, Australia, and the Pacific Ocean under all those pink clouds. So now we're going to do a recap of our flight here. Just push this button and it will show our flight path and how long it took. No hurry for us, we're in the last row, so we're just going to stand here and wait till everybody leaves.
We wish you a pleasant stay in Australia and welcome home.
As we make our way through the mess here. Well, thank you very much. We had a great time.
Thank you. Thank you.
Goodbye. Goodbye. We'll just bust through first class here.
That's good shit.
There you go, that's perfect.
Man. Let's get another one. Let's get on.
Thanks again.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm loving this weather. This is beautiful. Thank you, sir.
You are so welcome.
Appreciate it. Have fun. Coming through duty free. On our way to customs and baggage claim. This way?
Yeah, either way, mate.
Thank you. So far, that was really easy going through customs. All right, baggage claim, LA flight 73. Hope the bags made it. All right, safe and sound. I get to Sydney, I turn the corner, and look what I see, McDonald's. Woo, finally, we're in Sydney, Australia, and I got a nice view of the airport. Here's my view of Sydney International Airport. Well, this has been a long 2 days of flying. We left Saturday morning at 7:15 out of Washington Dulles. 5.5 hours later, we were in Los Angeles, California. Waited 12 hours there, and then took a 14-hour and 36-minute flight to Sydney, Australia. Look at that back there, A380. Nice aircraft. So we're kind of beat, and it's Monday, 10:30, and we're going to take a rest. And then we'll do some traveling tomorrow. And on that note, Traveler out. That's a big airplane.